This is experiment number 7, that is color map problem. In this problem we are given with the int region and we need to color this region with the four colors, that is red, green, blue and yellow, such a way that no two adjacent regions should have same color. So now let's have a look at the implementation of the problem uh, using the Python code. So these are the supportive methods and I will get back to this later. uh, and we call this method from our draft. So here is a driver code from firstly initialize 8, that is number of regions. Here we are creating the objects for all 8 regions using a class region, and for that I am passing the name of the region and the color for that particular region. So initially we are painting all the region with the color white, and here is the particular region class. Inside this region class we have a constructor, and in this constructor I'm initializing the name of the region and the color of the region, and also the empty list, that is adjacent regions, that we will use to store all adjacent regions objects. After that I am setting all adjacent regions by passing the list of adjacent regions object. For that I am using a get adjacent r method of the same class, that is region class. For region 1 there are 4 adjacent regions. You can see here for region 1 there are 4 adjacent regions, r2, r3, r5, r6. So hence I am here passing r2, r5, r6 and r4 to this get adjacent region method. So here is the method. I am just initializing that adjacent regions list to the object of adjacent regions, and this list was empty initially. So same way I am at for all 8 regions I am using the same for all 8 regions, and while if this true the code will be executed. So here I'm printing the new game and ask user to enter the color for region 1, and then we need to validate the particular color entered by the user, whether it is color is valid or not, that is it is from our red, green or blue color or not. For this I am using validate input method. So here is the validate input method. In this method I am initializing the RGB, that is the color list, uh, and then I am checking if the user color is in the list or not, and if it is in the list it prints true, or else will print invalid color input and return false. So here if the input is validated, then we can assign r1 dot color, that is color to that particular region, and then we will call a method a print state to use to print the color of all regions. So here is the method print state. We Here we use print all the colors to the regions. we, so here we are painting a very first region, then we don't need to validate the color with respect to the color of adjacent region. So if it the valid input return false, then else block will be executed, and here we are printing or calling the clear memory method. What is the purpose of this method is to paint all the regions again white. So using continue instance we use the execution of other methods. So clear memory method is here it is. If the user lost the game by entering a wrong input color, then we can clear the color memory and paint all the regions white again. Now here we are asking to enter the color for region 2, and here we need to validate the color 2, as well as we needs to validate the color with respect to the adjacent region or region. That takes two parameters, r1 r2 and c2, that is region. R2 is region name and c2 is the colors 2 name. So here is the validate color method, which takes the two input, region and color. Here we need to check if the two adjacent regions do not have the same color. For that, first we are getting a list of colors of all adjacent regions. So for a region of adjacent regions list, and I am getting the region of R color, and I am assigning to the color of adjacent R, and then I am checking if the user input color is present in the list of adjacent region color, and if so, one of the adjacent region has the same color, and print game is over, and it return false. Else, if the particular color entered by the user is not the adjacent color, then it return true. So if both of these methods return true, and this condition will be satisfied, we can assign the color to the region 2 or that particular region, and print the current state. And and if any of this method is written false, then the condition will be false, and else block will be executed. That is, we clear all the colors by using clear memory. Same way, we are asking user to enter third color, and the same process will be followed, and similarly we are going to use for the same for fourth color. Now only the difference is for a region 8. Here we also doing the same thing, where we are validating the user input, validating the color that they adjust with the adjacent color. If both of this method returns true, then it will color the region with the entered color and print the current state. And if all the regions are printed by satisfying all the conditions, then we can print, yeah, you won the game. And if you lost, then it will clear the memory and break. So that's it. Now it is asking, now let's check how the code actually works. So it asking me to enter one region color, region 1, that I am using letter P, that is invalid color. So again it asks me again the color because of the continuous statement, that is enter the color for region 1. So I'm gonna enter the valid color, that is red. So it will assign the color red to the region 1, is that is the color of region 1 is red. All other colors are painted white. So it is again asking me to enter the color for the region 2, that is this color, green color. Now what happen if we again paint the region 2 with the red color? It will break the loop, and it will give the error and game, and we lost the game, and again the new game started. So now let me execute this entire code correctly by entering the valid colors. So first I am gonna use red color, then again region 2 is green, region 3 is blue, yellow. So now all these r1 r2 r3 r4 are colored with the red, green, blue and yellow. As you can see, the region 1 color, region 2 color, region 3, and similarly. So let's enter the color for region 5. It is blue. So then the for region 6, that is green. For region 7, that is red. And the color for region 8, 8, that is last one, yellow. So now we all can see we won the game. And that's it. Thank you.